Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Redflokiceo token. Ticker symbol is Redflokiceo, all one word. This token is just wrapping up their pre-sale right now on pinksale.finance. They have a little bit over a day left. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it even after the pre-sale is over in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token right now is trending number 2. They've been kind of popping in and out between the number 1, 2, and 3 spots, moving around, trending on PinkSale here. They've sold a lot of tokens so far. So they set their soft cap at 30 BNB, which is kind of low. But they've already sold 466.13 BNB worth of tokens, and they still have more than a day left to go. So this pre-sale is doing extremely well. They have a full audit, so they were audited by WEALTHSIMPLE. You could view the PDF of that audit on PinkSale. They also have a KYC, which means that their team was doxxed. 2 solid proof to verify who they are for security reasons. They have a Reddit, a GitHub, Telegram, Twitter, and their official webpage, Redflokiceo. You're going to find a lot of the info over there. You can also follow their Twitter at Redflokiceo and their Telegram at Redflokiceo. So Redflokiceo is Elon Musk's favorite CEO and puppy, the ultimate ticket to the moon, created by a team with a proven track record of delivering massive gains to hodlers. With Redfloki 5,500 times, Greenfloki 500 times, Redflokiceo is a reflection token with hodler rewards and 0% buy fee, 10% sell fee, no team tokens, no transaction limit, 50% supply burned, contract renounced, but there's more DEX tool ads, Abe trending, and CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko fast track to come with 24/7 shilling, billboards, exchanges, and more. Join us now. So 9 decimal places on this token. There is a total supply of 1 billion tokens, 330 million tokens for pre-sale, 159,885,000 tokens for liquidity. Initial market cap estimate $229,000. And when the pre-sale is over, if you're still looking to get this token after the pre-sale is done, you can get the token shortly after the pre-sale is over on PancakeSwap by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain, going into the dApps, finding PancakeSwap, and then trading your BSC for the Redflokiceo token using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, which was redfloki.ceo. You may have to set slippage if there's taxes in the tokenomics, and it says liquidity is going to be locked on PancakeSwap for 365 days. So that's a pretty long liquidity lock. If you follow their Twitter or Telegram, most likely they will tell you exactly when the pool will be filled on PancakeSwap. Now, according to their token metrics pie chart, 51% of the tokens get burnt, 33% of the tokens go to pre-sale, 15.98% of the tokens go to liquidity. And in the discussion section on PinkSale, you can also find 2 quick audits on here, and they all have good check marks on them, no bad warnings or red flags or anything. It says, owner cannot mint new tokens after initial deployment, owner cannot set max transaction, owner cannot set blacklist, owner cannot set fees, owner cannot pause trading, and proxy contract in token is not found. So all sorts of good stuff there on their quick audits. Now, if you go over to their official webpage, redfloki.ceo, you could find all sorts of things like frequently asked questions are on here, roadmap, token info. They have a button to buy the token. Right now, it most likely would take you over to PinkSale, but eventually I'm sure they'll change that buy button where it'll take you over to PancakeSwap instead. They have their audit contract and socials on here as well. So it's the ultimate ticket to the moon, it says. Join us and now and experience the expertise firsthand. So venturing out to create the healthiest meme economy on the Binance Smart Chain, our team bred Redflokiceo, a combination of bold redness and the greatest of all meme glory. Redflokiceo is aimed to the moon. Coming out of the box, Redflokiceo is a reflection token with hodler rewards and no buy fees because our team wants you to be aimed at the moon as well. It's market proven methods for you, so get Redflokiceo with 0% transaction fee and benefit from a planned 50% supply burn. Our 10% sell transaction fee protects against quick sell-offs, and our 5% reflection fee logic increases your balance automatically. Rest easy knowing we plan to publicly renounce the smart contract to prevent rug pulling. Invest in Redflokiceo now. Not financial advice. Always do your own research. So anyways, 1 billion max total supply of this token. 0% buy tax, it says. It looks like there is probably 10% sell tax. It says 5% rewards, 5% marketing. So you'd get 5% reflections out of the 10% tax when somebody sells, and that's obviously to incentivize holding, 0% buy tax, and then they don't want people to sell because then, you know, you got to pay 10%. Probably set your slippage around 10% if you are going to sell this token. Besides that, they have the hodler rewards, the marketing fee, the burning, the original Redfloki team if you followed the Redfloki token. So those are some of the features. They also have liquidity lock. They're going to give to charity in the future. It's community driven. They have their roadmap on here. Eventually, they're going to be listed on CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, give to charities, do AMAs, more followers, more holders. They're going to have a Redflokiceo swap in Phase 3, listing on major exchanges, launch of merchandise, NFTs, and games, and further development of the ecosystem. And then if you want to learn more, you could check out their frequently asked questions. There is a PooCoin chart at the bottom of their webpage. And check out their socials as well. Let's see their Twitter here. So their Twitter at Redflokiceo. It's verified with the blue check mark. They have 20,300 Twitter followers already, so they're doing pretty well. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about Redflokiceo? Do you guys think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day. Peace.